Getting ready for the new year. My name is Dawn Chubai. I have my good friend Sonny Koltovski, who is New York's most famous bartender. You and I have known each other for years and years and years. We met you at the Waldorf. So how long were you at the Waldorf for?
I was there from 1980 until the day it closed on March 1st of 2017. And I had a great run over there.
Classic cocktails for some of the most famous faces. Cocktails in your career do you think you've made? In the tens of thousands?
Hundreds of thousands, possibly a million, if not more.
What are we making?
Okay, today I'll be making the Tiramisu Martini. And this drink, I invented it at the Waldorf specifically for people who wanted to have an after dinner drink.
And are you just free pouring it, or how much are we putting in of each alcohol?
3/4 of an ounce. We do, first of all, we'll put the ice in the shaker, Grand Marnier, Bailey's Irish Cream, Kahlua, coffee liqueur, Frangelico, Di Serono. Di Serono is right there. Last is the absolute vanilla to give a nice flavor. We'll put that in there. We hit it like that to lock in, and we'll start shaking. Oh, wow. And we'll pour it into my martini glass. Wow.
That's a lot. Tiramisu Martini.
Oh my goodness, you made one too. Let's taste it.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
It's so good.
What do you have any resolutions for the new year?
Yes, actually, just to stay happy and healthy and take care of my kids. That is my goal for the new year and every year thereafter.
Thank you so much, Sonny. We look forward to following your adventures. Maybe one of these days we'll pull out the accordion.
Could do that. Absolutely. Yeah, I'll be happy to do that. Definitely.
Okay. On the next episode, we will do an opening song with Sonny Koltovski, New York's most famous bartender. Cheers. Happy New Year, Sonny.
Happy New Year.